Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to book cheap flights from Canada to India. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first step is you need to use a VPN. This is so you can trick the airline company into thinking you're in a different country so they don't charge you more. I highly recommend NordVPN. And once you're signed up, you have to delete the browser history on your browser. Otherwise, the websites will know where you're searching from. So, in Google Chrome, you want to press those three buttons there. Then you want to go to Delete Browsing Data. Then make sure All Time is selected. You want to have all these ticked, and you want to do Delete Data. So now you're going to have a fresh browser. Once you signed up, you want to go to NordVPN and connect to India. Now you want to go on Skyscanner, which is an aggregator to find the cheapest flights. You can see it automatically thinks we're in India, which is what we want. You want to pick whether it's return or one-way. In this case, I'm going to do a one-way. Then pick where you're going to be leaving from. In this example, I'm going to do Vancouver. Now you want to select where you're going in India. In this case, I'm going to do Gandhi Airport. And now you can see the different prices that they're charging. When it's green, it means the price is good. When it's orange, it means the price is okay. And when it's red, it means the price is expensive. And you can check all the different dates. You can do flexible dates if you're very, very flexible. And it's always better to book on a Tuesday or Wednesday because it's usually cheaper. So let's see the price of August the 19th on a Tuesday. Then you do apply. Then you want to pick what class you want and whether you're traveling with adults or children. It's just going to be me, and I'm going to click apply and then click on search. And you can see Skyscanner searched 259 different flight companies to find you the best deal. You have the best deal here in Skyscanner. You have the cheapest and you have the fastest. On the left is the airline. This time is when you're going to leave. And this is how long it's going to take, including how many stops. And this is the time you're going to get to Delhi. In my opinion, I think this one by Cathay Pacific is the best one because it has less time and the other ones are much, much longer. So if you want to access it, you just want to click on Select. And here it gives you the following information: how long the first flight is, the airport connection, and then it's going to take you straight to Delhi. If we scroll down, I always recommend going with the airline, which is in this case Cathay Pacific. I wouldn't recommend going with these booking companies because if anything goes wrong, you don't have control of the tickets. They do, and customer service can be very, very difficult. So always, we're going to go with the major airline. Then you want to do Select. Once you do that, it will take you to that airline. Here you can see the flight is around 1,000 Canadian dollars. So it's always going to find the best airline. Remember, you need to sign up to a VPN to get the best possible price. And it's also really good for using public Wi-Fi in places like airports and trains, because otherwise, it's like a shield against a hacker. They can easily hack and steal all your credit card information and details. It's also very good to access different streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC. And that's it. So that's basically how you can book cheap flights from Canada to India. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.